guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please take a look around at my other videos. I'm a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that. And I think my videos give instructions for all levels of cook. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, today, guys, we are making an Instant Pot meal. And we're going to be making salsa Swiss steak. If you follow me, you know that my husband's not real big on tomatoes. So, and you know, for a Swiss steak, you need tomatoes. Well, I was looking around and I found this recipe that uses, instead of tomatoes, they use salsa. And I know for a fact he'll eat the salsa. So, let me show you what you're going to need. I've got about 4 or 5 pieces of cube steak. I'm probably going to cut them in half. I've got some beef broth, an onion, some garlic, salt and pepper, salsa of course, and some flour and some oil, and then some cornstarch for whenever it's done. So in the meantime, I am going to get off here and I'm going to cut up my onion and my garlic, and we'll bring you back in just a second. Okay, I got everything chopped up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of flour down. And I'm going to season the flour. Just with some salt and pepper. Because I cut my, there was like 4 pieces of the cube steak in there, and I just cut them in half. That was about a little over a pound. At 1.25, I think, a pound and a quarter. And I've got my Instant Pot on saute with some vegetable oil in it. And all I'm wanting to do here is just brown this. I don't want to cook it done or anything. That's a big piece. Not a big piece, but hey. How are y'all doing today? It's warming up here in South Carolina. I thought it was warmer though outside than it looked. I wanted to go outside today. Believe me, it was windy and chilly, so I didn't stay out there long. We walked around the yard, literally. That's all we did. So I'm going to put this in here. It's not quite ready yet, but that's okay. And all I'm going to do is let this brown on both sides. So we'll let that happen, and I'll bring you back whenever that's brown. Okay, I browned these off. Got all kinds of good dark bits at the bottom. So I'm going to put the onions in here. And those brown bits are going to come up. Hopefully, yeah. You know what? Hold on a minute. I think I need to add a little bit, and I use vegetable oil to brown them in, but I'm going to add just a touch of olive oil. So I'm going to let these saute and get these brown bits up. Well, that onion was strong. I thought these were my Vidalia sweets, but I guess not. There we go. And you want to make sure you get these brown bits up because you'll get a bird notice. I've been learning the hard way about these burn notices lately. Alright, I'm going to work on this a minute, and we'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, at this time, I'm going to put the garlic in. And as I said, I'm using my fresh garlic now. And I am going to cut off the saute mode. I read somewhere that somebody said, because you know, you don't want to burn your garlic. Once you start smelling it, it's ready. And I'm going to add, because those brown bits are a little bit hard to come up, a little bit of the beef broth now, and work on getting these rest of them brown bits up. There they go. It is hard on the end. Alright, I'm going to pour the rest of my broth in. Let me add a little bit more water. I didn't have any actual broth. And like I said, usually you would put diced tomatoes in it. I'm going to put some salsa. Now this is a little over a cup, which is perfect. I'm going to add the rack in just because I don't want this sitting at the bottom. Add all my cube steak back in. I think this is going to taste good because, well, I love it with tomatoes, but like I said, if y'all followed me, y'all know my husband doesn't like tomatoes a whole bunch. He did like that tomato soup, that vegetable soup, though, that I did with the, with the V8. I'm going to add some water to this. I'm going to add a little bit more water. All I'm doing is adding some water to this and getting all the good stuff out of it. It's late, guys. I had a nap. It's Saturday night. Alright, now there. And I want to turn this on about 25 minutes. And then I'm going to let it do a 10-minute natural release. No, make sure your vent's sealed. I've got it on 25 minutes. Then I'm going to do a 10-minute natural release. And then I'll do a quick release. And we will bring y'all back. Tony's got taters to peel. See y'all shortly. Guys, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, I want to thicken that up just a little. So I am going to turn it on saute. And I'm going to make a slurry. Let me get a spoon. I thought I had one. I'm going to make a slurry out of some cornstarch and water. We're having garlic, garlic mashed potatoes and sweet peas with this tonight. Alright, boiling. Oh yeah. That smells really good too. And it's not real tomatoey like it is whenever you've got the just diced tomatoes in there with the gravy. Alright, well I'm gonna get everything else together and we'll be plating it up. Be right back. Alright guys, we're having our Instant Pot salsa Swiss steak, some garlic mashed potatoes, some sweet peas, do y'all call these sugar peas where you're from? We do down here. Good old sugar peas. When I was a little girl I wouldn't eat these, but now I absolutely love them. Get me a couple pieces of this. Whoops. Well, if I can catch a piece, I'm gonna get it. Okay, that's not working for me. Put some of that gravy on there. I'm even gonna pick Tony's plate. I usually don't. No biscuits. I just don't pick biscuits that much. We don't. Alright guys, supper is ready y'all. I want to thank you for watching. I'd really love to have you in the family, so hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment below. Tell me about what you think. Give me a big thumbs up. And I thank you. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
Supper's ready.
I already said supper's ready, y'all.
Supper's ready anyway.